Hello, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Davis here with our writing lesson for today, Monday, November 2nd. Yay, a new month. All right, friends, so I finished up my piece that I had been working on, so I wanted to show you when you're ready to start a new piece. We've talked about brainstorming, using our heart map that we can choose a topic to write about. But I want to make sure that the topic that I'm choosing is a small moment. So Miss Davis has gotten some ideas down here for you, and I want to show you the difference between a big topic and a small moment. And sometimes we use a watermelon as an example for a big topic. When you all pick big topics, it's so much to write about that we want to really zoom in and focus on these small moments. And when we think of a small moment, it's like the seed of a watermelon. So that's why Miss Davis has some watermelons on her paper here. So I wanted to show you some examples today. I've jotted down some big topics, and I want to zoom in and focus on a small moment that happened at that big topic and make sure that I'm writing my story about the small moment. So if you have ever gone to a fair or a carnival, that's something that Miss Davis has done that I might want to write about. But instead of writing about the whole fair, I'm going to zoom in and instead write about one small moment that happened at that fair. So something that was very memorable to me was riding a Ferris wheel. Oh, one of those wheels where you go up really high. Oh, that was a great story. I can't wait to share that one with you all. Another topic you might be thinking of writing about what happened for your weekend. My weekend. That's 2 days worth of stuff that went on. Especially if you're busy like Miss Davis, that's a lot to write about. So instead of writing about my whole weekend, zooming in and focusing on a moment. Something that was memorable from my weekend was playing a game with my family. I can't wait to tell you all about the game we played. And then, of course, I know this weekend some of us chose to go trick-or-treating for Halloween. That's a big topic, writing about your whole time trick-or-treating. So instead, you can zoom in on your moment of maybe when you were getting my favorite candy. So today, I'm going to choose just one of these moments to write about. And I think for this week, I'm going to work on when I went to the fair and rode a Ferris wheel. So now that I have chosen my topic, I'm ready to practice step 2, which was touch and tell. Remember, this is part of planning out your story. You'll need your sheets of paper. And remember, Miss Davis recommends 1, 2, 3 sheets of paper. Remember, your paper does not have to look like my paper, but we would like you to have 3 sheets of paper because we're making books as authors in first grade. And we want to make sure that we have plenty of space to draw and write on our pages. You can use blank pages or you can use lined pages, but make sure you have 3 sheets, please. That way, we can plan out a beginning, middle, and end to our story. All right, remember step 1 is touch and tell. So this is where I'm going to touch my paper and tell my story using my words, planning out my story about riding a Ferris wheel. All right, ready? One crisp fall day, I was at the fair with Mr. Davis. We were so excited to ride one of our favorite rides, the Ferris wheel. As we climbed into the car to go up the Ferris wheel, it rocked beneath us. "Whoa," I said as I grabbed onto Mr. Davis. We both started laughing as we took our seats. The Ferris wheel began to rotate, and our car went up, up, up into the sky. We looked out and could see the whole fair below. It was a great sight. We both smiled. We were so happy to be on top of the world. All right, friends, so Miss Davis just practiced touching and telling my story, using my words, planning out the story beginning, middle, and end in my brain to make sure I could remember lots of details because this didn't happen too long ago. It was still fresh in my mind. All right, my friends, today I hope that you can choose a small moment topic. Make sure it's a small moment and not a big watermelon. A small moment topic to write about today and practice touch and tell on your pages, touching your paper and telling your story to someone in your house. And if you feel ready, you can go ahead and start working on your sketches. Remember, you can sketch out while it's fresh in your mind. So when I talked about being at the fair and getting ready to ride the Ferris wheel, I can make quick sketches, just a couple seconds, right, to make a quick sketch. Miss Davis and Mr. Davis getting ready to get on to the Ferris wheel. Those cool little cars and the big wheel that goes all the way around. Just a quick sketch, getting my idea down on my page. All right, friends, so today make sure to practice brainstorming your topic, choosing a small moment, touch and tell, and you can go ahead and start sketching out your story, beginning, middle, and end. All right, friends, I will see you all tomorrow for our next lesson. Bye!